Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make beet juice for high blood pressure. Beets are packed with natural nitrates, which your body converts into nitric oxide. This amazing compound helps relax and widen your blood vessels, promoting better blood flow and potentially lowering your blood pressure. It's a simple, natural way to support your heart health. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll want about 2 to 3 medium-sized beets. Make sure to wash and scrub them well. For a more palatable flavor, you might consider adding 1 apple or a few carrots. And of course, you'll need either a good quality juicer or a powerful blender to extract all that goodness. Now for the preparation. Start by peeling your beets and chopping them into smaller, manageable pieces. If you're using a juicer, simply feed the pieces through slowly. For blenders, add about a half cup of water with the chopped beets, blend until smooth, then strain the mixture through a fine mesh sieve to remove the pulp. Once your juice is ready, it's time to enjoy. For the best results, aim to drink 1 glass of this fresh beet juice daily. If you have any leftover, you can store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 24 hours. Remember, it's always wise to consult your doctor before making major changes to your diet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.